Last night out at Arrowhead, I'll let Gordon Docking take the story from there.
These fans, more than 76,000 strong, have developed to the point that they now play a key role in the outcome of football games at Arrowhead. Not only do they inspire the Chiefs and intimidate the opponents, but this rowdy throng can completely ruin plays for the opposition, like they did against Buffalo.
It was supposed to be a reverse. And obviously the wide receiver who was going to run the reverse didn't hear it because it was all blocked and all set up, although I think would have been in good shape because Derek got hard up the field.
But perhaps just as important is the energy and electricity the Chiefs crowd now brings to Arrowhead, an energy that fuels the players.
There is an energy that's present in a stadium like this that players can draw from. And it's not imagined, it's real, it's there. There's no team in the league right now getting more support from their fans than us.
The trick now is for these fans to help the team keep on winning. Gordon Docking, WDAF.